If you're working in sales or you are a freelancer, recruiter, business professional, you know that networking is essential to grow your connections and career opportunities, right? But in creating these connections, most professionals still opt with traditional paper cards because that's what feels comfortable. It's normalized. But that's because they don't know the full capabilities of digital business cards. So in this video, I'll walk you through why digital business cards are worth considering, covering their environmental benefits, cost effectiveness, easy updates, convenience sharing, and more. And by the end of the video, you'll understand how making the switch to digital could be one of your smartest business moves yet, and why you'll want to join the wave. Advantage number 1, they're eco-friendly. In an increasingly environmentally conscious world, digital business cards offer a green solution. They significantly reduce paper usage, helping to mitigate deforestation. They eliminate the need for printing and the associated paper waste, thereby minimizing the carbon footprint linked to traditional business cards. So embracing this eco-friendly approach not only demonstrates corporate social responsibility, but also enhances your brand's image, aligning with the growing environmental concerns of today's society. Number 2, they're cost effective. It's no surprise that traditional business cards require printing and frequent replenishment, incurring ongoing expenses for not only your bottom line, but the environment. On the flip side, digital cards are created once and can be shared endlessly without bearing these costs. This financial efficiency benefits businesses of all sizes, making the digital option a sensible choice. Number 3, easy updates. Traditional business cards swiftly become outdated in the face of any change in contact information. Digital business cards, however, enable instant alterations to contact details without additional expenses. So these cards provide flexible contact management, freeing users from the hassle of reprinting or redesigning cards due to changes. The convenience of easy updates ensures that your network is always equipped with the most current information. Number 4, convenient sharing. One can easily share digital business cards via email, simplifying the exchange process. With click sharing options directly from the platform, it's quick and straightforward. Additionally, digital business cards often generate QR codes, facilitating swift scanning and saving of contact details. So this convenience really streamlines networking and maintains effortless connections. Number 5 is enhanced networking opportunities. The convenience of sharing digital business cards really paves the way for enhanced networking opportunities. New connections can quickly add your digital business card to their contact lists. So the integration of social media into digital business cards facilitates easier connections across various platforms. These features redefine networking in today's digital age, making professional interactions more efficient. Number 6, interactive features. Digital business cards bring a whole new level of interactivity to them. Multimedia elements such as including your bio, websites, videos, and links to social media profiles enable professionals to showcase their work and skills in a dynamic and engaging manner, all which create a lasting impression on recipients. Number 7, analytics and tracking. I think this is my favorite one because I often ask myself after networking events if handing out my paper business card actually served any purpose or if it was just a big waste of time. So users can now monitor how many times their digital business cards are viewed and shared. This data provides, obvious insights into the effectiveness of networking efforts, enabling informed decisions and the refinement of professional connections. Number 8, integration with CRM and contact management systems. Digital cards seamlessly integrate with customer relationship management and contact management systems, streamlining contact management. The integration allows the easy addition of contacts directly into databases, enhancing the efficiency of managing professional connections. Businesses and individuals with extensive networks of contacts find this functionality invaluable. Advantage number 9, customizable designs. Users can match the design of their digital business cards to their own brand, ensuring a cohesive, unique, and professional image. Customizable designs offer creative freedom, allowing for a memorable representation of one's identity. This customization ensures that digital business cards remain appealing, up to date, and aligned with personal or company brand. Last but not least, number 10, accessibility and ease of use. Stored online, digital cards can be accessed anytime and anywhere, ensuring that users are always prepared and on the go. The convenience of digital business cards eliminates the limitations faced when traditional cards run out or are forgotten at home. This ease of access makes digital business cards a practical choice in a wide range of networking settings. So, why wait? Wave Connect business cards are your ticket to seamless, efficient, and truly impressive networking. With customizable features, they empower your brand to stand out and create a lasting connection with ease. Get started on your first digital card for free with Wave today, or schedule a 15-minute demo to learn more. Click the link in the description. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights and tips. Have any questions or want to share your experiences with us? We'd love to hear it. Please drop us a comment. We're here to help. Catch you on the next wave.